The first step is signing up for Hostinger Horizons. To do that, go to this link on screen right here, or click the first link in the video description. Using that will take you directly to the Horizon setup page and automatically apply an extra discount, so you're getting the lowest price available. And once you go to that link, you'll be brought to this page right here. Click on Start Now. And that'll bring you down to the plan options. Here you'll see a few different plans to choose from, and the only real differences between them are how many AI credits you get and which features are unlocked. I personally recommend going with the starter plan. You'll notice that you do have the Explorer plan over here, which is cheaper. However, this doesn't include a free domain. It limits you to just one website. You don't get e-commerce features, and you also can't buy additional credits if you run out. With the starter plan, you're going to get 70 credits per month, a free domain, up to 25 websites, and you'll find some other features down here as well. So overall, I find that the starter plan is a much better starting point for beginners. You'll also see some higher tier plans here as well. If you find that you need more credits or want access to things like the code editor, you can always upgrade later. For now, I'm going to go with the starter plan. So here I'll click on Select Plan. All right, so now we need to choose our plan period. It'll be set to 12 months by default. However, you can switch this from 12 months to 1 month if you want to, but I would personally recommend going with the 12-month plan. With this, you're getting the best promo pricing, a free domain, free hosting for the year, and you actually get 2 extra months included for free. So in total, you're getting 14 months. And don't forget, if you use the first link in the video description, you'll save an additional 10% off. With that done, go down and click on Continue. And then here you'll need to register for a Hostinger account. Go ahead and enter your email address and create a password. Then click on Register. And then here you'll need to go through the checkout process. Go ahead and enter your billing address and your payment information, and I'll meet you at the next step. Then here, click on Get Started. Okay, so this is the screen where we tell Horizons what we want to build. Up here, you can type in your prompt, and this is basically the starting instruction for your project. You'll also notice a couple other options here. You can upload images if you want to give Horizons some visual direction. And if you scroll down the page, there are also pre-made templates for both websites and apps. Templates can be a good shortcut, but I want to start from scratch with a custom prompt so you can see how to guide the build yourself. Now, when you're writing your prompt, the goal is to be clear without making it overly complicated. A simple way to think about it is this. Say what you're building, who it's for, the main sections you want, the style you want, and any important features you already know that you need. So in this example, I'm creating a website for a freelance photographer. I want this to have a polished look, show off my portfolio work, highlight photography sessions, and make it easy for potential clients to reach out or book. So this is the prompt I'm going to use. Create a modern website for a freelance photographer. Include a hero section with a headline, short intro, and call to action button. Add an about section, a photography services section, a portfolio gallery, client testimonials, a booking or contact section, and a simple footer. Use a clean, minimal style with strong spacing, modern fonts, and a polished color palette. Make the website feel professional, trustworthy, and focused on getting clients to book a session. So this prompt works well because it gives Horizons a clear direction right away without trying to force every tiny detail into the first prompt. Once this first version is generated, we can always come back later and refine it. So I'm happy with my prompt that I've created here, and once you've written your prompt, go ahead and click on the purple arrow right here. Okay, and then after submitting your prompt, you're going to see that the Horizons AI begins working on building your website or app. You'll see that it's going to start being built here on the right-hand side, and once it's ready, you'll be able to preview it here as well. This is going to take a few minutes to complete, so I'll fast forward to whenever it's done. So your website should load here on the right-hand side, but occasionally you will run into an error like this, where it says that your website or app couldn't load due to an error. If this happens to you, simply click on Ask to Fix. Now it's going to run through and analyze the errors and fix everything for you. And for whatever reason, if you run into issues and your specific prompt isn't working, it may be too complicated and overwhelming the AI. So I would go back a couple steps, rewrite your prompt to make it simpler, and you should have more success. It's important to note that hosting Horizons is still in ongoing development, so some things won't work perfectly. Now I'm going to let the AI analyze the errors and fix the website. And now that the Horizons AI has gone through and fixed the errors, I now have a functioning website here on the right-hand side. Here you'll notice that I have a header with a home page, about, services, portfolio, contact, and a call to action button here. Then right here at the top of my home page, I have a nice big hero section with a call to action button as well. And if I scroll through here, I have my featured work, and then I have a simple footer here at the bottom. So the AI has done a really great job.